In today's video, I'll teach you how to find StarPets promo code. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. There are various websites and platforms that provide you the promo code of StarPets. You can simply go to any platform of your choice. Here I'm going to teach you by taking you to the specific platform. So for that, click on the search bar and type in this link www.wethrift.com/star-page. Press enter. In the WeThrift, you'll be able to find reliable StarPets promo codes. You'll be able to see the promo codes over here. You can see various options. You'll be able to find the options like free items, free page, etc. So what you have to do is find the offer that you like the best. Once you do that, you can see the promo code over here. Click on this option, copy code. Now you can see over here the code has been copied. Now after you do that, go to the checkout interface of StarPets and enter the promo code and you can get the promised discount. So like this, you'll be able to find the promo code. So that is how you find StarPets promo code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.